Hello children, how are you? Hope you are enjoying winters and also practicing maths. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to cover dividing by hundreds. So let's start. For division by hundred, we are again going to use the disk method, and our first question is a factory packed 2000 chocolate bars equally into 100 packets. How many chocolate bars were there in each packet? So, in order to get the answer, what we need to do is we need to break up 2000 according to our 1, 10, 100 and 1000 rule, and then start the divisions with the help of the disk method. But first, we are going to understand the basic concept that whenever 100 divided by 100, the answer is 1, because in division the 0 cancel out the zeros. Similarly, if we divide 1000 by 100, the answer is 10, as 2 zeros will be cancelled out. So, coming back to our question, we are going to break up 2000 according to our rule. So there are 0, 1, 0, 10, 0, 100 and 2000, means 2 discs of 1000. So these 2 discs of 1000 are going to be divided by 100, and as a result we will get a 2 discs of 10. So when 2000 divides by 100, the answer is 20. So there were 20 chocolate bars in each packet. In question 2, we have to divide using the disk method, and in part A we have 700 divided by 100. According to our rule, for 700 we have 0, 1, 0, 10 and 700 discs. When these discs are going to divide it by 100, we will have a result having 7 discs of 1s. So 700 divided by 100 is equals to 7. For part B, we have 3000 divided by 100. For 3000, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 100 and 3000. When these 3 discs of 1000 divides by 100, we will have 3 discs of tens. So 3000 divided by 10 is equals to 30. In part C, we have to divide 5400 by 100. For 5400, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 400 and 5000. So basically we have 5000 discs and 400 discs. After division by 100, we have 5 discs of 10, because 100 divided 1000 divided by 100 is equals to 10, and 4 discs of 1, because 100 divided by 100 is equals to 1. So our answer is 54. For part D, we have 9200 divided by 100. For 9200, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 200 discs and 9 discs of 1000. After division by 100, we have 9 discs of 10 and 2 discs of 1. So our answer is 92. Question 3 says 4000 centimeter of ribbon was cut into pieces of equal length. Each piece was 200 centimeter long. How many pieces of ribbon were there? In order to find out the answer, we have to divide 4000 by 200. because the total length of the ribbon was 4000 and each piece is 200 centimeter long. So when we divide 4000 by 200, we will have the number of pieces. We have two methods to perform this type of division because here we have to break up the 200 into 100 and 2 in order to achieve the division. In method 1, we first divide 4000 by 100 and then the resultant by 2. Whereas in method 2, we first divide 4000 by 2 and then the resultant by 100. But in both the situations, answer remains the same. So you can adopt any method for solving the questions. For 4000, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred and 4 discs of 1000. When these 4 discs of 1000 divides by 100, we have 4 discs of 10. Then further divide 40, which means 4 tens by 2, we have 2 discs of 10, which means 20. So our answer is 20 pieces of ribbon. Question 4 says, find the value of 205,000 divided by 500. Here we solve this question with both the methods. In method 1, we are going to divide 205,000 by 100 first and then the resultant by the 5. So we have 410 as an answer. In second method, which is part B here, we divide 205,000 by 5 first and then the resultant with the 100. Answer comes out as 410. In question 5, we have to divide and we have 4 parts here. So let's start solving one by one. In part A, we have to divide 800 by 400. Here we are going to break up 400 into 104. For 800, we have 0 ones, 0 tens and 8 discs of 100. When these discs divide by 100, we have 8 discs of 1 as an answer. And when we further divide these discs by 4, we have 2 discs of 1. So 800 divided by 400 is equals to 2. For part B, we have 90,000 divided by 300. For 90,000, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred, 0 thousand and 9 discs of 10,000. When these 9 discs are going to divide by 100, because we have break up 300 into 103, and first we are going to divide by 100. So when 10,000 divides by 100, we have 100 as an answer. So we have 9 discs of 100 which are further going to divide by 3, and in the end we have 3 discs of 100. So 90,000 divided by 300 is equals to 300. In part C, we have to divide 2,600 by 200. Here we are going to break up 200 into 102. So first we are going to divide 2,600 by 100. For 2,600, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 600 and 2,000 discs. When these are going to divide by 100, we have 2 tens and 6 ones, which means 26, which is further going to divide it by 2, and as a result we have 1 10 and 3 ones, which means 13. So when 2000 divided by 200, the answer is 13. In part D, we have to divide 96,000 by 400. Here we are going to break up this 400 into 104. So for 96,000, we have 0, 1, 0, 10, 0, 100, 6,000 and 9, 10,000. When these discs are going to be divided by 100, we have 9 discs of 100 and 6 discs of 10. These discs are further going to divide by 4, and we have 2 discs of 100 and 4 discs of 10, which means 240. This is our answer. Now we are going to solve the practice questions in which we have to divide, and part A is 400 divided by 100. For 400 we have 0 ones, 0 tens and 4 discs of 100. When these discs are going to divide by 100, we have 4 discs of 1 as a result, which means 4. So 400 divided by 100 is equals to 4. For part B, we have 8,000 divided by 100. For 8,000, we have 0, 1, 0 tens, 0 100 and 8 discs of 1000. When these are going to divide by 100, we have 8 discs of 10. So our answer is 80. 8,000 divided by 100 is equals to 80. For part C, we have 5,400 divided by 100. For 5,400, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 400 discs and 5,000 discs. After division by 100, we have 5 discs of 10 and 4 discs of 1. So 5,400 divided by 100 is equals to 54. For part D, we have 9,200 divided by 100. For 9,200, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 2 discs of 100 and 9 discs of 1000. After division, we have 9 discs of 10 and 2 discs of 1. So 9,200 divided by 100 is equals to 92. For part E, we have to divide 600 by 200. Here we are going to use the breakup method, and we are going to break 200 into 102. So first we are going to divide 600 by 100 and the resulting by 2. For 600 we have 0 ones, 0 tens and 6 discs of 100. After division we have 6 discs of 1, and after division by 2 we have 3 discs of 1. So 600 divided by 200 is equals to 3. In part F, we have to divide 4,900 by 700. So 4,900 is going to break up into 0 ones, 0 tens, 900 and 4,000 discs. And for 700, we have break up it in 100 and 7. So first, our discs are going to divide it by 100, and after division, we have 4 discs of 10 and 9 discs of 1. This is further going to divide by 7, and we have as a result 7 discs of 1. So 4900 divided by 700 is equals to 7. For part G, we have to divide 7800 by 600. So for 7800, we have 0 ones, 0 tens, 800 discs, and 7 discs of 1000. For 600, we have break it up in 106. So first, the discs are going to multiply by 100 and then with 6. After division by 100, we have 7 discs of 10 and 8 discs of 100. Further dividing this by 7, we have 1 tens and 3 ones. So 7800 divided by 600 is equals to 13. For part H, which is our last part as well, we have to divide 36,000 by 600. Here we are going to break up 600 into 106. For 36,000, we have 0 1, 0 10, 0 100, 6,000 discs and 3 10,000 discs. When these are going to divide by 100, we have 3 discs of 100 and 6 discs of 10. On further dividing these discs by 6, we have 6 discs of 10 as a result. So 36,000 divided by 600 is equals to 60. With this, we have reached the end of the video. We will continue covering the next topics in our upcoming videos. Meanwhile, do like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.